Welcome to Baking with Saucy Treats. Let's get to it. Before this video starts, let's hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. We will be learning all about fondant icing and the tools you would need. Also, Wilton products review on some of the tools that I have used on previous cake projects and just any kind of treats. So let's get into this video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and comment below. So the first thing we'll learn is many people ask me, what is fondant icing? Well, fondant icing is an icing also commonly referred to simply as a fondant. It is an icing used to decorate or sculpt cakes and pastries. It is made from sugar, water, gelatin, vegetable fat or shortening, and glycerol. It does not have the texture of most icings. Rolled fondant icing is akin to stiff clay, while poured fondant is a thick liquid, which means melting. Fondant is also used for sculpting. As you can see, I designed a Paw Patrol cake. And I liked it because it gave me opportunity to really work on the details versus printing things out. Then you see here's a matte cake. Everything on there is edible. Fondant. There you have a purse. That was kind of like the first fondant cakes I made. You also have like icing that you use underneath the fondant to keep the fondant sticking to the cake and the cake sticking to the icing and vice versa. So when working with fondant, you need certain tools such as like sculpting tools. You need an icing smoother, which you'll see in the next clip. You can use this to smooth icing, or you can use this to help out with your creation with the fondant. As well as you can get fondant in different colors, or you can color the fondant with any type of food coloring or gel. You also have another kit here that has like a little mini rolling pin and like 2 different sculpts that you can get as far as using for sculpting. These are some of my most memorable fondant cakes that I made. I have the SpongeBob cake. That was a very detailed cake. Actually, it was a cookie cake. Then also you have coming up next the TNT. There's somebody initials, but it kind of went good with the theme of the year. Then you have the emoji smiley face heart cake. That was for like a teenage party or something like that. Then you have just your basic dice cupcakes, you know, for like card parties or so on. Then you have your Smurfs. This one took a whole lot of time because there's a lot of details into the Smurf cake, a lot of characters, and I try to put as much as I can into my artwork. But thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for all the support and love that you guys have been showing me over the years. And I hope to see you soon with more good videos. Thanks for watching and baking with Saucy Treats. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up.